हेलो एवरीवन, नमस्कार। वेलकम टू अनदर एपिसोड ऑफ सिंपली पल्लवी। आज हम बात करेंगे उन साइकोलॉजिकल क्यूज के बारे में जिसको हम यूज करके वी कैन रियली इम्प्रेस आवर क्रश. Do you want to impress your crush, or do you want to create a strong impression on someone? If yes, then these psychological tricks will really help you. So let's get started. The first and the most simple of all the cues is to take your date's name as much as you can. See, in the entire world, it has been established also as per many researches conducted before that the sweetest word anybody would love to hear is his or her ओन नेम. तो जितना ज़्यादा आप उसका नाम लेकर आप उनसे बात करेंगे किसी भी कॉन्वर्जेशन में, उतने ही ज़्यादा द पर्सन विल स्टार्ट फॉर्मिंग अ रैपो आइडेंटिफिकेशन विद यू, एंड दैट विल रियली हेल्प यू टू सेट अ स्ट्रॉन्ग impression on them. The second is ask for a favor. It is a Benjamin Franklin effect. Psychologically, it has been proven that when you ask for a favor to somebody, that person is already in a position to help you. Right, that person is in a position or is in a power to give some help to you. So that means that person, you are making somebody feel गुड अबाउट देमसेल्व्स. तो जब वो अपने बारे में बहुत अच्छा फील करने लग जाते हैं तो ऑटोमेटिकली जिनकी वजह से वो बहुत अच्छा फील करते हैं उनको भी दे स्टार्ट लाइकिंग. सो दिस इज अ डुअल इफेक्ट. द थर्ड एंड द कूलेस्ट ट्रिक इज नेवर ऑर्डर अ कूल ड्रिंक ऑन योर डेट. ऑलवेज एंड ऑलवेज ऑर्डर अ वार्म बेवरेज. The researchers have shown before that the person who have ordered a warm beverage on a date, on a casual dates also, have a higher chances to turn into a serious relationships than to the person who have ordered more of the cold drinks or any ice drinks. Fourth, what you say about others describes your personality traits. It is called spontaneous trait transference in psychology, and even if the other person knows that you do not carry such traits in your personality, even if that person knows you beforehand, he gets a hint that maybe these all negative talks relates to you also in your darker side of personality. So especially when you are meeting somebody for the very first time or you are creating a new impression on someone, try only to speak positives about you, about her, about your relatives, friends, college, politics, anything which is genuine and positive. Be page number 25. This is my last psychological trick for today, and this is a very funny experiment conducted by a Quora user. What he did that he published a book और उसमें उन्होंने एक पोस्ट डाला, एक नोट डाला सबसे ऊपर दैट डू नॉट रीड द पेज नंबर 25 until you finish the entire book. So people were very curious that what is in that page number 25, and they bought the book and immediately turned on to the page number 25. What the purpose was that he wanted to sell his books, which were sold, but the psychological conclusion came out that you really have to create something mysterious in you so that it grabs the attention of the other people. So if you really want to grab the attention of your crush, keep something mysterious in you. So that's it, guys. This is all about some psychological tricks which can really help you to impress your crush. Hope that really helps you, and if that does, don't forget to put in the comment section how was your experience and let me know too. And yes, if you are a new viewer of my channel, don't forget to hit the bell button, subscribe me so that you can keep hearing me and watching me all often. Till then, guys, take care, keep watching. Namaskar.